Okay, so I'm gonna show how to get your car to coast when you lift your foot off accelerator. So I'm gonna go to menu to the left, and here I'm gonna activate eco, and then we will have the eco mode on speedometer, and then when I'm gonna start driving, I'm gonna show, and I'm gonna take my foot off the accelerator. Okay, so I'm gonna go to 40, take it off, and right there you can see it says coasting. So it's just like being in neutral, so you can coast like that, you know, for a while, and it's saving gas. So as you see, I will have to brake probably, because yeah, so once you put your foot on the accelerator, it's gonna drive as normal car, but the moment you take off your foot, it should coast. So I like that feature a lot, because it doesn't slow down a car. So this is now off. The start and stop is working, and so I'm gonna take my foot. Probably I'm going to slow to get that again, but that's what that is.